Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL today. It's the midweek show, folks. We got first up Carbon Flavours and Fragrances Limited considering a dividend here. It should be a good one. They got to get that board meeting going first to consider it. It's going to be held August 27th, 2021 to consider a payment of an interim dividend, not a final one to all ordinary shareholders. Now, Carbon Flavours, CFF, they're not the biggest company or the largest on the stock exchange, but let us tell you, folks, it's not always the largest that wins. They got some high net margins there at this flavor company. Look out for them. Next up tonight, we got Elite Diagnostic company here. They've been really going through the motions. Their earnings report has come out on the stock exchange. A little bit of a rebound. We're going to carry that this week on Business Live. Now, they're putting on the board, Mr. Mark Carr-Jarrett has been appointed a director of the company with effect August 13th, 2021. Now, Mayberry, Jamaican Equities, this is the updated net asset value or NAV, dropping a bit below Jamaican $12 a share for the last couple of weeks or month or so. It's really been staying above 12 bucks. So declining here to $11.78 as at August 13th, 2021. Kingston Wharves Limited, ticker symbol KW, massive quarter here, huge number, over 700 million Jamaican dollars of profit. Now this is a June quarter, June 30th, 2021, registering exact figure, 739 million net profit versus $500 million year over year. Look at that bump. Earnings per share, 50.9 cents. Operating revenue jumping 2 billion, big ones, 2 billion Jamaican dollars, 2.06 billion to be exact. It jumped 40% year over year. Last up, the big kahuna. Talk about it coming together. We love how on Business Live, JMMB has changed up their earnings report, getting that marketing style and everything going on. 1.93 billion Jamaican dollars in net profit for the first quarter. Earnings per share, 88 cents versus 39 cents. More than 100% growth right there in the money for JMMB. Just as big, operating revenue hitting 6.86 billion Jamaican dollars versus just pretty much 4.99 billion, 5 billion Jamaican dollars year over year. Total assets showing super confidence with a client base, probably new clients as well, $544.5 billion, growing 26% year over year. Traditionally, financial sector, you might see 5 to 10% growth in total assets, 26% here. Now, super interesting story. Jump into the numbers with JMMB, 36% no. Go through those numbers. Contribution to operating revenue is now bank-related services. They haven't had this commercial bank for too long. It's not just a geographic story anymore, Dom rep Trinidad and Tobago, but the bank services now 36%. Financial related 63%, still the bulk, but the bank is catching up, baby. Look out for JMMB, still one of the cheapest stocks on the market from a fair value basis, price to earnings basis, probably 10, 11 times earnings. When you look at the next 3 quarters projected, depends on who your analyst is. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.